Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, February 2nd, 2025, we are providing an in-depth analysis of the EURUSD pair, combining recent news and chart data. Recent news indicates a mixed sentiment towards EURUSD. President Trump's renewed tariff threats have boosted the US dollar's appeal, while the recent European Central Bank interest rate cut has weakened the euro. Despite these factors, some analysts predict the Eurozone inflation will reach the ECB's 2% target by summer, which could strengthen the euro in the long term. Let's turn to the daily chart of EURUSD to understand the price action. We see a recent downward trend, which aligns with the bearish sentiment from the news. The price has consistently stayed below the 1.08 level, suggesting strong resistance around this mark. Looking closely at the daily candles, we can see periods of consolidation and occasional short-term reversals, but the overall bearish bias has persisted for several weeks. Note the relative volume, with higher volume days accompanying larger price swings. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart to get a finer-grained perspective. This time frame shows more detailed price fluctuations within each day's trading session. The hourly candles reveal short-term support and resistance levels that can provide insights for intraday trading strategies. Observe how price bounces off the 1.075 and 1.08 levels repeatedly, before finally breaking below the 1.08. We can also observe several instances where the price briefly reversed direction, possibly due to short-term trading activity or temporary shifts in market sentiment. These temporary reversals can still be valuable to look for. Let's now zoom in on a particularly interesting period from the hourly chart, focusing on the period of increased volatility. By narrowing down on a specific time frame, we can see the detailed price behavior. Here, the hourly candles show rapid price movements, highlighting the impact of news and events on short-term price changes. Observe how support and resistance levels are constantly being tested. Finally, let's briefly look at the 15-minute chart to see the smallest price fluctuations. The 15-minute candles show the most granular price action within the hourly periods. This level of detail is important for scalpers and traders who focus on very short-term opportunities. The 15-minute chart shows many small fluctuations, representing the high-frequency trading activity during each hour. In summary, the EURUSD pair shows a bearish trend on the daily chart, with key resistance at 1.08. Hourly chart analysis reveals more granular support and resistance levels, while the 15-minute chart reveals high-frequency fluctuations. The likelihood of the EURUSD pair breaking above the 1.08 resistance is relatively low in the short term, unless positive economic data from the Eurozone significantly alters market sentiment. The current downward trend is likely to continue unless unexpected changes occur. Important factors to watch are the next ECB rate decision and any further developments on President Trump's tariff plans. These announcements will be critical in determining the pair's immediate future. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts. Remember to like and subscribe for more in-depth market analysis.